viewers, today we are going to watch another SSundee video, just not one of his latest ones. This is one of his oldest ones, which I still love. It's Cobblestone versus Dirt Lucky Blocks, as you can see. Now,
do you want to know why Cobblestone is so much better than dirt? Well, I mean, think about it. What happens on dirt? Animals take dumps on dirt.
Correct.
Do you want to know what happens on Cobblestone? Good things happen on Cobblestone.
Yes.
Only good things.
Hashtag wrecked.
Hashtag wrecked. Hey, what's going on, guys? SSundee here with Crater.
My mom doesn't like me!
What did you say?
My mom I'm damn SSundee. My mom doesn't like me.
My mom doesn't like
Did you not get that?
I have so many
just like you
questions,
guys
but the
know,
first thing, say that again.
Life.
My mom doesn't like me. Am I good at doing the damn SSundee voice, bro? Is it good?
Anyways, Crater, what are we doing this episode?
This episode is possibly the most important episode of our lives, man.
The most important episode of our lives. Why?
The battle of battles are about to go down. Take a look.
Press start. Dirt? Cobblestone. Dirt versus Cobblestone.
Yeah, dude. Dirt is definitely gonna win, bro.
No, that's apparent. Cobblestone's gonna win. Just go look at your YouTube channel. You already know it.
Dude, I lost a bet, okay? I'm not grown up. My YouTube channel looks very ugly, and I still hate Cobble.
It says it on your YouTube channel. Cobblestone is better than dirt. We all know.
I lost a bet.
If
all right, homie. Dirt versus Cobblestone. Let's do this.
Is the best.
May the most dirty person win. Get it?
No. All right, so let's do this. Let's open our very lucky block and our very lucky spot, the bar. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Go!
Babe, are you gonna get on? I've been waiting for 20 minutes. What are you doing?
1 second, babe. I'm trying to type right now, and I'm in a rush and misspelling everything.
You're misspelling all of your...
Oh, what is it?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Oh! When you nod your head yes, what you wanna say no? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Hey, yeah.
Well, thanks for the redstone and the diamonds, at least. And I also heard from Kian. He told us that this round has a bunch of SSundee and Craner memes in it. I have no clue. Let's do this. Go!
I gotta tell you something.
Beer.
It's good for me.
Did he just make a little kid say that beer's good for him?
It's good for me.
No! Crater? The cold always bothers me, especially when there's blazes.
If your mom actually lets you.
The crap was that about, Craner? You deserve dying.
The best thing.
Anyways, 29 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this?
Well, hello there, Ian.
It has 0.5% alcohol.
Looks like
And all
Craner.
that you can taste
Yes, it
is
does.
a wonderful flavor.
Alright, let's grab the gold. Let's keep going. 28 lucky blocks left. Let's do this. What is
Well,
this?
hello there, Ian.
This is gonna be a good episode. 27 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this? Villager that gets no sleep. I still have yet to understand this meme. Oh, good Lord, kid. 26 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this? Just do it! Just do it! Just do it! It says, just mine the emerald, just do it. Thanks, kid. Okay, 25 lucky... Listen, Spider, get wrecked. 25 lucky blocks left. Let's do this. Go!
You are nothing.
And
What do you mean I am nothing? At least my mom tells me I'm special. Kinda. Okay, let's grab all the quartz for later, possibly. Okay. 24 lucky blocks left. All right, let's test our luck in the dancers. Cool, let's do this. Go!
When there's something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call?
Not freaking me! Oh, good lord. What is this? Is this supposed to be like a giant ghost? It says, ghosts can be found under your bed tonight. All right, Keith. Thanks for the warning. Let's keep going. 23 lucky blocks left. What is this?
I'm a flippin' wizard.
Oh my gosh. So Kian just found a bunch of Derp Sunday intros. So that's why Craner was Derp Sunday. 22 lucky blocks left. Let's do this. Go!
I ain't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep because of me.
What is that? It says no sleep, only diamonds. But there's emeralds.
That doesn't make sense.
Kian, I will never understand you. 21 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this?
What is your name?
10ゲーム10ゲーム5校のすり切れ海砂利水魚の水魚松雲来松風来松食うねるところに住むところやぶら工事のブラ工事パイポパイポパイポの修理ンガン修理ンガンのグーリンダイグーリンダイのポンポコピーポンポコナーの超救命の超助
I've actually said that to someone before.
There is no way in this world that is a real name. Anyways, let's keep going. 20 lucky blocks left. What is this?
I hide because I'm afraid to look in the mirror.
Actually kidding.
Oh, good lord, what is it here? A bunch of random crap. Okay, I'll take it. And he said I hide, and then he put a bunch of Endermen.
I guess you can actually.
Oh gosh, kid. Okay, 19 lucky blocks left. Let's do this. What is
Oh
this?
my god.
No. Please. At least that lucky block paid for itself with that beacon in there. Let's go grab the beacon. All right, there we go. Let's grab the beacon and get the heck out of here. I had to wall off the lava. Okay, maybe I can open a lucky block right here. Please don't. This is a horrible idea. Please no TNT.
Actually, you can look good.
Go! And now I can't get out. Oh, what's in here? A bunch of ice. Oh, give me the ice. Give me the ice. Give me the ice. Come on, let me out. Let me out.
I saved
Oh. Okay, we got out. We're never gonna look back. 17 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this? No! Okay, break it!
Wait a minute.
Just do it!
Fill my cup, put some nigga in it.
Just pull it, do it. No, Kian. I have to vein mine every piece of TNT I see. 16 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this?
Throw an ender pearl so hard at your face it'll teleport your nose to your butt. Smell that crap.
I remember doing that intro. It said I'll throw an ender pearl so hard at your face it'll teleport your nose to your butt. Smell that crap. Freaking derp slutty. 15 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this? No! Vein mine it! No! Okay. At least we made it out alive. 14 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this?
I'm going to own all these noobs.
Sponge. That is going to own all the noobs. When did SpongeBob turn so evil? 13 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is
I'm gonna
this?
tell you something.
Beer.
It's good for me.
Beer is good for a little child. Kian, you got some splaining to do. 12 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this?
Nothing else to do than put the incredibly freezing ice packs down in my pants. 3, 2, 1. Why do you do this to me, Kian? Heaven knows I tried. Holy crap, this is so cold!
Did Craner really put ice down his pants and sing Frozen? I don't even want to know. Anyways, 11 lucky blocks left. Good lord. Let's do
Nothing
this.
else to do than put the incredibly freezing ice packs down in my pants.
10 more lucky blocks. Let's keep going. What is this?
We never slow down. I think we better do it like we're doing it now.
Oh, what is it here? A
Just
bunch
let you
of
guys
speed
know,
potions and...
even though I'm in my bed, I can get cold.
What is your
easily.
obsession with just doing
Very
this week,
easy to
Kian?
get
9 more
cold.
lucky blocks. Let's keep going. What is this?
No, and
Go! No!
There's
Run!
nothing is cold.
1 heart.
Because I'm not sneezing.
We lived with 1 heart.
Like,
Anyways,
you guys
8 more
know
lucky
this
blocks
noise-
left. Let's open these.
A
Go! Oh, this...
I get no sleep 'cause of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep 'cause of me.
7 more lucky blocks left. Let's do this. What is this? I'm a flippin' wizard. I remember that intro also. Oh.
Which there's a
Alright, we have a
reason why
wand in here
SSundee
too.
has
Good
the
lord. Okay, let's keep going. 6 lucky blocks left. What is this? Today is the day that I will become a man. I will eat chicken without cooking it. How did you find these, Kian? They are so freaking old. Anyways, 5 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this? Yummy! That was Ace Ventura.
Oh,
One of my
Ace
favorite
Ventura.
movies of all time. Okay, 4 lucky blocks left. Let's keep going. What is this? Kian, you have got to stop this. You are gonna cause me to get sued. Freaking rip
I should've
headphones
probably let you
users.
guys know
Good
for-
lord. 3 lucky blocks left. Let's do this. What is this?
Oh, yes!
Oh yes, pink wool. Alright, Kian. Now I'll take the iron at least. Last 2 lucky blocks. Good lord, let's do this. What is this?
I didn't get no sleep 'cause of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep 'cause of me. I didn't get no sleep 'cause of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep 'cause of me.
That is so much iron. This is gonna be all of these anvils. That is gonna be an insane amount of iron. Okay, last lucky block. What is this, Kian?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Oh! Let's go start our training process. Good lord, Kian. All right, so we died once. Remember that. So let's throw out this yummy beacon. Let's throw that out. That's 15 nether stars. Yeah, let's turn it diamond. We need 5 nether stars. Let's go start our smelting. Yeah, and look at this. Look at this. All of these anvils came out to 251 ingots and still an anvil left over. Alright, good lord, I'm gonna be here forever. Let's pull out all of this iron. Alright, so here we go. We have 0 nether stars. Let's see how many we end up with. 9 stacks of nether stars. I'll take it. Okay, so while all of those anvils and stuff was smelting, I went over there and looked at some of the stuff. So I'm guessing what we're doing is we're gonna be fighting a ranged boss and a melee boss, because what these signs say, hold on, let me show you this. Yeah, so this side is ranged, only use on ranged boss, no cheat. So we can only use these weapons on the ranged boss, and then this side is the melee boss, and it says no cheat. Okay, so all of this stuff, look at this sword, over 9,000, look at this. Plus 99,000 attack damage, but it costs 12 stacks of nether stars. I only have 9, so I can't get that. Hopefully Craner can't get that. Okay. So let me figure out a strategy here. We have a shotty, we have the shotgun, we have a PP90. Oh, good. We have a flamer, an AK pew pew, and a snip snip, which is a sniper. Let me look at this stuff, and let me see what I want to get. Yeah, so I think for the ranged guy, we're going to get the shotgun. You dudes know how I love my shotguns. Yes. Let's grab a shotgun, and then a crap ton of ammo. Yeah, oh, good lord, that's too much ammo. Whatever, that should work. And you see I kept a block of gold and a diamond, right? I'll show you why in a minute. Okay, I think the shotgun That should be good enough. I might come back and get the sniper rifle later. I'm not gonna get a sword because check this out. These weapons right here are not banned. So you know what we have to make? We're gonna make ourselves an OP cleaver. Now I need to go over here. Let's buy, not weapon upgrades. We need metals. We need to get manolin. Yeah, which this is, cobalt. And we also need to buy paper. We haven't built an OP cleaver in so freaking long. There we go. Pouring the manolin, and now we can make our cleaver. Let's put our paper tough rods there, our paper plate. And now we just need this, and here we go. Here is our cleaver. And you know what we have to do with this? We have 6 modifiers on this right now. Remember, if we put a nether star on this, we now have 7 modifiers. And then if we put a block of gold and a diamond, we have 8 modifiers. And you dudes know what we can do now. We can spam this with quartz and get this up to like a crazy attack damage. We're at plus 11 attack damage. Let's see what we're at after we're done. Plus 40 attack damage. And then we put a necrotic bone on there just so we have life steal so we don't die. Okay, we have our melee weapon, our ranged weapon, and we still have a crap ton of nether stars. Let me head over here. I want to see, heart canisters are unlocked. Let's first buy a full thing of heart canisters so we can be tanky. All right, there we go. We have a full thing of heart canisters and diamond. Ooh, emerald. Oh, they have emerald armor. I can afford this too. Yeah, let's grab a full set of an emerald skirt.
Critter loves skirts.
Let's use the rest of our nether stars since we have our weapons. Let's use the rest of our nether stars on enchanting our armor. Let's get in a call with Craner. Let's do cobblestone versus dirt. Craner?
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Why do you keep adding skirts?
Dude, it looks fabulous on us. Like, look at us, dude. We look like a boy band, bro.
What are we doing? I see over here it says SSundee ranged and melee, Craner, ranged and melee. So what are we doing? We have to kill the melee with our melee weapons and the ranged with our ranged weapons, and whoever can kill them both first with the quickest time wins.
Yes, exactly, bro.
Okay, I got it. You go first. All right, Craner, let me go to game mode. It's your turn.
I'm really going first, huh?
You're going first in 3. Which one are you going with first?
I'm going with the melee one first.
Melee one in 3, 2, 1,
go!
Okay.
Timer.
Oh, you're fighting Cobblestone!
Oh, he's really big!
You are fighting actual cobblestone!
Yeah, dude, what do you think this is, bro?
Is he hitting you? Oh, he does a lot of damage!
He hits like a freaking couple truck, bro! Ow, ow!
You're already down 30 health, Craner!
I really don't want to die. He's down like 300, bro.
Yeah, he's down 300, but remember, you still gotta fight the ranged guy.
Oh, yeah, dang it! I don't want to die. I really don't want to die.
Oh, what's this sign back here? Oh, this sign back here brings you back home. Okay, I get it.
I got him down.
In the comments
40?
down below.
Come on.
30?
Stop running towards the sign. Oh, no, that's a bad idea.
20? Ooh.
No, get back here, bro.
10.
Yes.
Cobble dude, yeah, why you gotta kill Cobblestone, Craner? What's wrong with you?
Oh, I hate Cobble, bro. I'm not grown up.
You better hurry up, the timer's still going.
Okay, I'm going to range now.
Oh, you're going to range. Okay, I'm watching.
So cold.
What is
I
this
don't
guy?
have a lot of health, bro.
Okay, you can only use... You have a flamethrower!
I accidentally broke my phone.
Craner, you died! You got pummeled by Cobblestone! That's what I'm...
throwing myself.
You got pummeled by
Just trying to
Cobblestone!
plug
Look,
in my phone.
dude, he shoots freaking explosives at you!
This is really difficult, bro. It's not as easy as... Ow!
And you keep setting yourself on fire!
It's really not on purpose, okay?
Yeah, you're setting himself on
Craner, you do a crap ton of damage, though.
But yeah, dude, this flamethrower is OP.
He is half dead. Craner, please don't kill him. Please don't kill Cobblestone again.
This is way harder than I thought it would be.
Can you kill him? That is the...
Cobble!
No! And, oh!
He already took
There we go. Stop the
2
freaking
minutes.
timer, homie.
Play the whole thing.
Crater, you freaking killed Cobblestone.
I did. You gotta kill dirt faster than me now if you want to win, bro.
Don't worry, I will take down Dirt faster.
It's
All right,
Cobblestone.
dude, it's my turn.
Are you ready, bro?
Cobble versus Dirt. Let's do this. I'm gonna go melee first, just like you. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, drink the swiftness potion. Drink the swiftness potion. Okay, now throw an ender pearl. Oh, Dirt, bring it.
Dude.
I got my cleaver.
You got the cleaver. Oh, you do a lot of damage.
Dude, I am just. Look at this.
Why do you do so much damage, bro?
Dirt is no match for me. This is what. Look at him. And.
Oh.
Really?
Ender pearl. Ender pearl.
Oh
Wait, ender pearled out. Wait, Crater. I ender pearled it out. Hi. What am I supposed to do? What? Wait, slash kill. I don't know what to do.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's go ranged.
You're
Okay.
really low on health, bro.
Am I? Oh no. Let's take out this guy with my shotgun. No!
What? Oh! You do so much damage.
Yeah. Under 1 minute.
But anyways, dudes, we're going to end this video here. If you guys are still enjoying this series, of course, hit that like button down below. And Crater, it's official.
What? No, it's not.
Cobblestone is better than Dirt.
He said
No,
hit
it's
that
not, bro.
like button down below. Make sure to subscribe to SSundee and put the notification bell like how I did. Make sure to leave a like on the videos. And if you see a red subscribe button, click that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and apply it to all. So you get notifications all the time. Do the same for my videos too. Oh. Bye. And just to let you know, your viewers are awesome. Bye.